Needed one more hour of sleep.
Why?
Tired.
Why?
I don't know.
How long have we been humping it?
Day in and day out
How long?
since Monday, and it's Friday.
No, since September, August 27th.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Oh my god! Oh, what the hell were you listening to on the way over here?
ranged a root wad up there for 60 and thought he was going to stop, and he just paused as I let go, and it went far back. But hopefully he was quartered enough that it got in there, so we're going to give him some time and hopefully
We'll get him.
get him.
It's just a matter of being patient on that, I think.
Yeah.
Baby, over the log. Yes.
Do we get him?
We got him. Hey, we don't have to whisper.
You got it, dude. Where is he? Steve.
Yes.
I don't see him.
Right there, baby. Yes. Yes. He's not like that. Oh,
Thanks,
yeah.
buddy. Yeah, look at that. Humdinger, baby.
Yes.
I mean, you just uncertain to.
Yep. I mean, he's, I thought he was going to come to a complete stop when I shot, and, he didn't. And I was in the, I was ready for that instant, and I shot, and he didn't quite stop. And that shot, that's about probably where it would have hit. I was a little high, but I still would have got the lungs up here.
This will feed the family for the year.
Yeah.
That's what it's all about.
Yeah.
That's the biggest reason is
Yep.
food for the table.
eyes were green. Approaches a world never ever should. I simply